Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to update software on Apple Watch. So if you want to check for software update and then download and install the software update on your Apple Watch, then this is what you need to do. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and press the G crown once to see the watch face. Locate and click on settings. Now scroll down. Make sure your Apple Watch is connected to the internet. So search for available Wi-Fi or use your mobile data to connect to the internet on your Apple Watch. And then go back and click on General. Select Software Update. Then click on Check for available software update. And if there is a software update available, it should say Download and Install. Go ahead and click on Download and Install. You should see Software Update. To proceed with your update, enter your passcode. So click on Proceed. Go ahead and type in your passcode. And then hang on, should say estimating time remaining. Now the file size is about 1 GB. Now this is going to download the software update on your Apple Watch without installing it. For you to now install the software update, you need to make sure your Apple Watch is plugged to the power source. And once the battery estimation is above 50%, this is going to install the update automatically on your Apple Watch. And then during this process, do not disconnect or remove your Apple Watch from the power source. And that is exactly what you need to do to download and install software update on Apple Watch. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.